This video will be unboxing the EBC brakes for the Ford Fiesta. So it comes in this box, shipped to the UK. This is the box, and there's nothing here, so I'll put it aside. So here's how the box looks like. EBC brakes, premium street performance with eco-friendly brakes, So for the Ford Fiesta, the part number is DP22002, which can be used for most generations of Fiesta. I'm not sure if the Mark 8 uses the same or not. So here's the box. These are the types of brakes that EBC has. It's that green stuff, red stuff, yellow stuff, extra duty, blue, orange. For normal street driving, green stuff it's okay, I guess. So there it is, eco-friendly brakes. So what's inside here? Let's unbox it. Oh, I open this. What you get is some kind of service instructions on how to remove and install the brake pads, a thank you note, and some sort of leaflet, installation guide, and how to bed in the pad, performance and warranty, and all that stuff, and a caliper loop or for whatever this is for, stickers, whatever this is for, again I'm not too sure. Another sticker, so they give you two pairs of stickers, a pair of stickers. So here's the brake pads itself. Comes in a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's how it looks like, one of them. This is the brake-in coating. Green color pads, GreenStuffs. So that's about it for the unboxing. Not sure when this will be installed, because the current pads in my car has some life left in it. So yeah, this will go back in the box. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.